Hey guys, it's TRX Cycle Repair. Today we're working on a TRX250X. So you got one of these TRXs and you hit a tree or you did something and you busted your headlight. No big deal, you just go order one up. But the problem is when you start looking them up, you're going to find this. Okay, unavailable. So it's not even available. So I called up Honda and contacted them to find out, and they said that it's on national back order and they don't have a release date. So the next thing I found out is that after some research, it shows that it looks like what they're going to do is retrofit all of these TRXs with the 2018-2019 headlight. So the problem with that is that they're still hard to find, and you have to change out the headlight and the rear mounting unit for the headlight. And I'll show you what's involved in that. All right, so the part number we're going to be looking for is this 33010HN6F80. This is the 2018-2019 full headlight set. So when you pick up this box right here, it's going to come with, this is the rear mounting bracket. It's going to mount right up to your 2017 and older model that has this single headlight. It's going to come with your headlight. It's going to come with the new plug to plug into your existing harness and to the headlight. It's going to come with the spring, the screw, washer, and everything that you need to mount it all up and be able to adjust it. All right, so the mounting is the same on the two plastic pieces, and I'll pull that off now and show you. All right, so just pull these off right here, these two plastic pins right here. Pull that off. And then we have two more right here for the top bracket. It's the same. Then we got two 10 millimeters here, one there and one right there. And then I just took these two 10 millimeters out on each side so we can move the fender. Okay, got those both out. So now you can pull the fenders away and pull this out. Unplug the headlight from right here. Okay, and this had some extra wired ghetto light on it that melted the original headlight. So now we got that out of the way. So let's set up the new one. All right, so then we're going to put the headlight together. So we have one piece through the side right here. This drops through that slot on the bottom, and then you're going to pop the other side in right here. All right, so now we're mounted in. Now the next thing we have to do is the adjustment right here. All right, and the way this goes here, I don't know why we're having so much focus trouble here, but we have the washer, the spring, the white plastic piece in the back right here, and then the screw that goes right through the front. So let's mount it back on. All right, so here's the wire harness that comes with it, plugged in there, one push button there, and another one right there, the brown one, and then we're ready to plug it back in. All right guys, there it is. This is the 2019 headlight put in here. I showed you the part number you need to order. It comes with all those parts I just put in it. And this right now is the only way to get a headlight for one of these if this is what you have. There's no other headlights available. Okay, so when I found this one, it was only one of two on eBay. They're hard to find, so jump on there, and if you need one, you need to order it up. Of course, they're charging now for them because they know that they're in high demand and they're very limited. So normally this whole setup would cost around $92. I had to pay $139 for it, but I'm selling the four-wheeler, so I got to make sure it's got a headlight working, so I had to pay up for it. But you guys have time, you can search for it. That's what you need, guys. Real simple. Please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell for further notification, guys. It helps me out. Hopefully I'll see you on the next one. And this is TRX Cycle Repair.